there is no future for CBDC in the retail market. Because I'll tell you the drawbacks of the CBDC. CBDC does not earn interest. Like I told you, your 100 rupees remain 100 rupees. Whereas in digital UPI payments, whether I'm doing it through RTGS or NEFT or through mobile or through a wallet, till I pay, I'm earning interest on it. So nothing is going to happen to it, right? Then when I pay to somebody, A pays to B, the B starts getting interest on it in their saving accounts the moment it enters their account. It's only the current account there is no interest, otherwise there is an interest. One. Number two, you can pay to the last unit. So if you have to pay 97 rupees 23 paisa, you can do that. Whereas in CBDC, you will have to buy a 100 rupee note or 50 rupee note, then 10 rupee, 10 rupee, 10 rupee, 10 rupee, 4 note, and then you have to round off to the highest because there is nothing like 3 rupee note, or buy 1 rupee note, and that paisa then again you will have to do. So every time you will have to download that kind of a digital currency by again paying digitally. So you pay digitally to RBI, download CBDC, then pay to B, and then the B also either keeps it as it is or converts into digital money. So instead of doing that, you can digitally directly pay from A to B through UPI. Absolutely. And with a minimal cost. Practical usages have a limitation as on date because we have a great option of digital payment wholesale through RTGS, IMPS, NEFT, where all financial institutions and now even post office and cooperative banks, they have digitized, are all linked. So there is no problem. And similarly, the retail is completely linked. There is no problem.